I've got a quick and easy DIY for you guys today. We're going to be replacing the trunk struts. Is it trunk or boot? You guys can let me know down in the comments. Here in America, when you say boot, this is what we think of. But anyway, this one's super easy and it's not very expensive. If you have either an E90, E92, or really any car that's like 10 years old and you've never replaced these before, they're probably due for a replacement. And the way that you can tell is when you lift the latch on the trunk, it should just open up on its own power. If you open up the latch and the trunk just kind of feels limp, that's how you know that they're done and they need to be replaced. So I got a set of these ones on Amazon. They're called Buice. And just be careful when you're ordering them. They sell them either individually or as a pair. I highly recommend that you replace both of them at the same time. So just when you order, make sure that you're actually getting 2 of them. I'll put some links down in the description if you want to check these out. So the way that these work is inside the trunk, there's a little round knob that this end will actually go onto. And then if you look at the back side, there's a little metal clip that holds it in place. If you look at it from the front, you can see that the clip has that groove that it's going to slide into. So what you need to do is just use a very small flathead screwdriver to kind of relieve the tension on the clip, and then you're just going to push the whole thing forward. Just like that, and then it's ready to go onto the car. So one little tip that I want to give you with this is just be very careful when you're prying this out. You don't accidentally want to pull it out all the way because it's going to be really hard to put back in. So just push it forward just like that, and it's ready to go on the car. And taking the old ones off is the exact same procedure. Carefully push the clip forward and pull on the strut. If they've never been replaced, they'll require some force to pull off. Before putting the new ones on, clean the old grease off the hinge. The new struts come preloaded with fresh grease. When you take these out of the trunk, just pay attention to how they're oriented in there. The thicker part will be on the top and then the skinnier part will go on the bottom. So taking a close-up look at the old one, you can actually see some rust on there, so this was definitely due for a replacement. Press the new strut on and slide the clip in place. You'll hear an audible click when it's in. In case you're wondering why I'm wearing gloves for such a simple task, I stabbed my finger with a screwdriver off camera while learning how the clips work. I cleaned my wound with rubbing alcohol and put a bandage on it so I wouldn't bleed out. I then put on a pair of work gloves to prevent further injury. It's only a flesh wound, I've had worse. New shocks are installed, here's the moment of truth. Wow. So that's really all there is to it. This whole project should take you maybe like 5 minutes to do. Super simple DIY, but definitely worth doing. It's just one of those things that they fail really slowly over time, so you might not really notice it, but when you switch them out, trust me, it makes the car feel a lot newer, having that functionality again. And in case you're wondering, it's the exact same procedure on the hood too, so if you wanted to do the trunk and the hood at the same time, it's the exact same process. I'll actually link the hood and the trunk, the link for both of them down in the description if you guys want to check those out on Amazon. I really appreciate that. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to the channel for more DIYs just like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, you're watching Circus Tricks with Justin Buice. Don't wear dunks if you don't skate.